This is winter time at Southwest. I don't do a lot of videos on our equipment maintenance and repair, but that's what we're doing today. So I'm just do a quick shout out today because I got to get out of here early. But we are preparing things for summer. We got a couple mowers back here that, you know, we're trying to get squared up, maybe fixed, so that we could either sell them or, you know, get them back out on the road. We're pretty much done with the John Deeres. We're going to be using primarily Scags, I think, is going to be our thing. So that's what we're going with. But we have a couple left from when I bought a bunch of them a couple years ago, and heading into the new year, trying to do a little equipment repair and make our decision as to what we're going to need. It's a good time of the year to be deciding what you're going to need for summer. You know, maybe doing a little inventory on your equipment. We've got, we've kind of gone through some of our mowers already, done the repairs and doing our blades and our, we got these mowers back here kind of underneath the shelves. So we've done pretty much our maintenance on those, done our greasing, that kind of thing. And just getting ready for the spring, because it's like six weeks away, I think, is what we're looking at here. So I'm going here a little warmer in here. So anyway, hope you guys are doing well. I hope things are going well for you and you're getting ready for the upcoming season, because it won't be long. We're ready to go here. Snow is still in the air, so we've got that going on. But we also have our spring that we have to think about. And last week I talked a little bit with you guys about business stuff. Like to talk about that a lot, but this week a quick just shout out about equipment. We need to make sure our equipment is good, ready to go. So that's a big part of the company, and there's a lot of other guys on YouTube that focus on that, so I don't focus on it all that much. But it is a big part of our business. But I do have people back there that take care of it for me and make sure that things are working well. They're very good at that kind of thing. Very good at repairing, maintaining, and making sure everything is good and ready to go for the crews on a daily basis, and even in the wintertime when we're getting ready for the season, for the upcoming season. So I have to scoot out early today. It's Friday. Got some personal things to take care of, but I thought I'd post some quick, just quick insight here, and I'll talk to you guys soon. If you like my channel, please hit subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button. I know there's people out there that watch that aren't subscribed. Hit subscribe, hit like, tell me what you like about it, tell me what you don't like about it, ask me some questions. And I'll be back with you guys soon. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend. See ya.